So one of my favorite things about deer hunting is every hunt is its own little adventure, because you never know what the outcome is going to be. We made ourselves back up into the old growth part of that timber we've been exploring, and it's late archery season, and we're going to give it a go here, find a spot to sit down for the rest of the night. Already made the hike in, and heard a few shots off in the distance, which is not too concerning, but I did just bump 2 small bucks coming into this timber, so at least we know they are in the area. So the whole goal of this hunt is, once again, we're ground hunting. I don't have anything to get up in the trees. I'm probably going to have to take up saddle hunting next year. It wouldn't be a bad idea. But it'd be nice to get in, find a little spot up here that we can nestle in. I'm going to try to get back even further than I have before on this timber. We're going to head even further west, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try to get to the other side of this in the direction of those small bucks that went back up in there, so we'll see if we can stir up anything else along the way. I don't know if you saw them, but just had some turkeys up over here, the ridge. That's also a good sign, because I'd love to find a place to do some spring turkey hunting. Never done that before. Man, I love this little timber. Alright, we're gonna make our way back in here further. I think we found our spot for the night. Right behind the camera there, I got a bunch of cedar cover, and I can see up that hill to the west, to the southwest, pretty good. Over here to the direct south, and then down here to the east. And I've got a bunch of cedars behind me here, so it's a pretty good vantage point for anything that's going to be coming through here this evening. Try to pack a little lighter this time, just because of the trek in, but then also the temperature increased quite a bit, so it's right around 50 degrees right now, so really had to dress lighter just so I didn't sweat the whole time. So we're going to be just kind of sitting back and seeing if anything comes along. Brought my lighter bow this hunt because, once again, the hike in and something I know I'm a little bit more accurate than that other bow. I guess we'll have to wait till next season to get a good kill on that one, but that hunt did not pan out as like we would have hoped. So we're sitting out here 3 days later. Got out here after 2 days of rain, some fog, and then last night it started snowing overnight. Woke up this morning and it looked like we had maybe an inch and a half. And so I had some pretty good aspirations to get out here and do a snow camo hunt. But I got out to the hood end of the timber and had other ideas. So today I'm going to take a little bit of different approach. We got in here a good ways, but I'm going to go up a different ravine that I have normally done, get to the south side of the property, and then kind of work our way back to the west and to the northwest. But that's the plan anyway, so let's get after it. Taking a moment here to glass up on this hill, see if anything's bedded down there. So I'm up on the other side of this ridge and overlooking where I had been sitting over the last couple days or last couple hunts, and just seeing it from a different vantage point been pretty cool to see. And I've got 3 different plateaus here with the ravines down going in and out of there, a lot of cover, so there could be anything bedded down here. I'm going to take a moment to glass a little bit and just see if there's anything I can spot, and maybe we can sneak up on it. I was over the ridge over here to get to this point, and I came across a trail camera and then a ladder stand set up not too far from it, so I didn't want to disturb what that hunter was had going on, so we came over the hill and found this spot. So we're gonna sit here for a little bit and just glass and see what we might see come across this area. We got ourselves settled in under the cedar trees here and overlooking this ravine down below me. And then when I came up over the ridge, I was able to spot a doe bedded down over there. I was able to get settled in, and then eventually she did get up. She wasn't spooked or anything, but then kind of walked off quite a ways away. I could still see her, and then eventually she did take off. So I don't know, I wasn't moving or anything, so I don't know if something else spooked her or if she caught my wind down here in these bottom ravines. The thermals might be coming up and swirling around a little bit weird because the wind has died down. So it's right about 4:20. I've got about an hour of shooting light left, so we're just going to settle in here. Fun little spot. We'll see what happens. Well, that's going to about wrap it up for 2024. I hope you guys have a happy new year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next.